Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to change the battery in your car. So what you have to do first is find if there's any safety stuff on top of your battery. For instance, my car has this thing on top, so you have to take that off. You use a special wrench to take the screws off.
Take the screws off so you can take the secured stuff on top of the battery. Make sure to keep the screws that you take off in a safe place because you're going to need them later. Check the charges on the battery. The red side is the positive and the black side is the negative. So you have to take the negative side first. You have to loosen up the screws in this part. Don't take them completely off. Just make sure that they are loose enough. Once they're loose enough, take the negative side first. And then carefully take the positive side. Now you take the battery out of the car and put it to the side, and then put the new one back in. Make sure you put it in the right place. At the beginning, I know I said that you had to take the negative side first and then the positive, but when you put the chargers back on, you have to actually put the positive side first. So make sure you do that carefully, and then tie up the screw in the positive charge. Then you do the same with the left side, making sure that the screws are tight enough. And then you put the secure stuff back on top of the battery to make sure that the battery stays in place. You use the screws that you put aside at the beginning before we started taking the battery off, and then just use the wrench to tie everything up.
That's how you pretty much change the battery of the car. Just the main stuff is to remember the positive and negative side so you don't have any accidents. And thank you.